Feeling stiff, tired, or less steady lately? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. But the great news is, simple movement done daily can restore your energy, protect your balance, and help you feel stronger than ever. As we age, our bodies naturally slow down. Today's video is a complete at-home workout for seniors. No gym, no pressure, just safe, easy movements that actually work. All you'll need is a sturdy chair, maybe a wall, and something light like water bottles or canned goods. Don't forget to subscribe to Mindova for more trusted health tips and fitness routines tailored for men and women over 62. Gentle warm-up. Let's begin by waking up the joints and muscles with some gentle warm-up movements. Start with slow neck circles to loosen tension. Now roll your shoulders forward, then backward lift your arms and circle them forward. Then reverse march in place gently, either standing or seated. Rotate your ankles slowly in both directions. Wiggle your fingers. Rotate your wrists. And gently open and close your hands. Warming up helps prevent injury and gets your blood flowing. Even 5 minutes can make a big difference. 3. Strength exercises. Let's work on strength next. To maintain muscle, protect joints, and stay independent with daily tasks. Switch sides. Don't rush. Aim for 8 to 10 repetitions. Lower body, start with chair squats. Slowly lower yourself onto a chair and stand up again. Next, seated leg raises. Sit tall, straighten one leg, hold it for a second and lower it down. Now stand and do some toe lifts and heel raises. This strengthens your calves and ankles. Upper body, let's move to wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall, place your palms shoulder-width apart, and gently push in and out. Grab your water bottles or canned goods. Let's do bicep curls. Elbows at your sides, lift and lower with control.
Oh no.
Try an overhead press. Lift both hands above your head and bring them back down slowly. These exercises keep your arms and shoulders strong for things like lifting groceries or holding onto railings. For balance, and core balance is one of the most important things to focus on as we age. It reduces fall risk and boosts confidence. Try standing on one foot while lightly holding a chair. Hold for a few seconds, then switch. Now walk heel to toe along a hallway or line. This challenges your coordination. Let's raise one leg to the side while standing tall, holding onto the chair if needed. Sit on the chair, cross your arms, and gently twist side to side to engage your core. Try opposite arm and leg lifts from a seated position. Right arm and left leg, then switch. Balancing gets easier the more you practice. Even 5 minutes a day adds up. 5. Flexibility and mobility. Stretching keeps you moving freely and helps ease joint pain or stiffness. Sit near the edge of your chair and extend one leg out. Lean forward gently to stretch your hamstring. Switch legs. Now reach both arms overhead, then slowly bend to the left, then the right. Sit upright. Bring your hands to your knees. Arch your back forward, then round it gently back, like a seated cat-cow stretch. Let's stretch your neck. Look side to side, then tilt one ear toward your shoulder. Finally, bring your arms behind you, or clasp behind the chair to open up your chest. Breathe deeply and move slowly. Flexibility comes with consistency. 6. Cool down and recovery. Let's slow everything down with some deep breathing and gentle movement. Inhale through your nose. Raise your arms overhead. Exhale through your mouth. Lower your arms down. Repeat this a few times to calm your body. Roll your shoulders. Circle your ankles and sit quietly for a moment. Think of one thing your body did well today and thank yourself for showing up. You've just completed a full-body, senior-friendly workout, and that's something to celebrate. 7. Motivation and close. Remember, movement isn't just about muscles. It's about freedom, independence, and feeling alive. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. Try this routine 3 to 5 times a week, and you'll start to feel real changes in your strength, balance, and energy. Subscribe to Mindova for more powerful health tips, mobility exercises, and wellness strategies made just for you. Leave a comment and tell us how you feel after the workout. We read every one. We'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, stay moving, and stay connected.